Hi, my name is Steph Gordon, and I'm the co-founder and the CEO at ALS Never Surrender Foundation. We're developing the first ALS research progression app. In 2013, I started noticing a lot more tremors in the arms and legs, and they started running a series of tests.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. So when I was finally diagnosed, we're in the doctor's office, and he tells us, I'm sorry, but you have ALS. So the first question you have is, what's progression going to look like, and how long do I have? You want answers, and there really just aren't any answers for ALS. One of the most terrifying things for a patient is being told only time will tell. So this is where the patient would actually set up their initial profile of when they were diagnosed with the disease. I've always been somebody that wants to control their own destiny. So we thought, why not develop something specifically for ALS? So we're using the app on the iPhone to actually capture patients' range of motion, their movement, their voice. We're capturing over 80 data points for progression analysis. I really find it quite empowering as a patient, now being able to take control of my disease progression. Started at 4.2, and then currently I'm at 4.0. Right now, with clinical trials, there's typically only 50 to 100 patients involved. We want to be able to bring every patient every time into the process. Previously, all patients were able to do was actually answer a 12-question survey, and that's what doctors and pharmaceutical companies use to actually measure a patient's progression. Now, research teams are able to synchronize their efforts globally in real time through our app, collecting 80 points of data from every patient every day. When you're dealing with a terminal illness, time is of the essence. The FileMaker platform allowed us to rapidly create a custom app, deploy to the cloud, and our scalability was no longer a problem. I really hope what we've been able to create will empower patients so they don't feel so helpless. I think the time is very valuable. We take for granted that we're going to be around for a long time, but by creating something that will give other people the power to take control of an uncontrollable situation, it really helps you get through the hard times. It might not save me, but I think it could save the world.